Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to use Klarna Purchase Power. Let's go. Open Klarna app. Sign in. Home. Purchase power is your limit. You can safely use it for shopping. For example, in the application itself, select store, add products to the cart. As a payment, use Klarna. Or create a one-time card for the required amount. And use it like a regular credit card in any online store. Now you know how to use Klarna Purchase Power. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.